Well, after that win, guys, you know a celebration snack is coming. And today, since we have some holiday leftovers, split pea and ham soup. Can't wait to show this to you. It's gonna be awesome. Love to have the leftovers and use them. And around the holidays, what do you do with that ham bone when you're done? Pea soup. Be right back. All right, guys, so here we have all of the ingredients from our holiday ham and the bone, which is the key to any split pea with ham soup, in my opinion. We've got our vegetables, carrots, onions, bay leaf, and celery. We've got a bag of split peas, which is about 1.25 pounds, I think. And of course, Moss diced up some of the leftover ham as well. This really should be called Moss's ham with split pea because she likes it hammy, to say the least. So it's pretty simple, and I'm just gonna tell you what is going to get done now because it really doesn't need to be something shown on camera because all these ingredients basically get combined together in a big pot, we cook it, and then we use a hand blender, and it's ready. But the first step that you need to do is you take the peas and you put them in your soup pot, and you rinse them very well. You wanna make sure they're rinsed. You discard that water, you add fresh water, probably, maybe 1 gallon to 1.5 gallons of water. You add your ham bone in there, you add all of the vegetables, the bay leaf, and you let it simmer. And you're gonna let it simmer for about 45 minutes, maybe a little longer, maybe a little less. It all depends on the peas. You check the peas, and when the peas are nice and tender, it's good to go. You add a little pepper. You probably don't need salt, but salt to taste because the ham is gonna be salty enough, but it's really up to you. So it's really simple, guys. It just takes a little bit of preparation. I mean, obviously, you see the way Moss takes care of being the sous chef. Everything is perfect, so it makes my job that much easier. And by the way, she also cleans as well, so we have a really good relationship. I cook, she cleans, she preps, and everybody's happy with our meals. So we're gonna get the ham bone and the peas, the veggies, in the soup pot and get it going. And maybe I'll show you a glimpse or two of the cooking process and then the finished product, of course. Cheers, coming right up. All right, guys, so we have now the peas rinsed well and basically threw everything into the pot with the exception of the diced ham. That goes in last. And Moss likes to saute it in a little butter for extra flavor and then puts it into the soup once the peas are cooked. So basically what we're gonna do is fill this pot, till everything is covered, till about here, whatever your stock pot or soup pot will hold. But you just wanna have everything covered and bring it up to a nice boil and then let it down to a simmer and then check it after about 45 minutes and see how the peas are cooked. Everything else will be delicious, ready to go. And she throws in a couple of pieces of fat, obviously, because fat equals flavor, and it makes it super tasty. Okay, let's get it on the stove. All right, guys, so this pea soup has been simmering for a little over an hour, and I just wanted to give you a quick glimpse of what it looks like. We're gonna let it cook a little bit longer because we like it a little thicker, but it's really up to you and how you like to do it. So in the meantime, we're gonna saute the pieces of ham that are gonna go in there, and then I'll show you what happens when the soup is ready and how we dismantle and puree it. Be right back. All right there, so we have a little butter ready in the pan, and we're just gonna put these bad boys in and saute them. This is Moss's secret trick. She likes to do that. It gives it a little extra flavor. And of course the salt is all in there and comes out and makes it really, really nice. And like I said, split pea with ham or ham with split pea, you be the judge. That's the way Moss likes it though. All right, so we're gonna continue on with the pea soup. All right, so we have basically the ham almost ready and taken out the bones and the pieces of big chunks of ham out of the soup. And then we're gonna use the hand blender and blend the carrots, the celery, that's all still there. There's still a little bit of peas as well. So we use the hand blender to get it a nice smooth consistency. Be right back. All right, so we took out the bones, the bay leaf, the big chunks of meat. I'm just using the hand blender now to blend all the veggies, make sure all the peas are nice and smooth. Moss is even gonna strain it. So really make sure it's silky, smooth, and delicious. We put it back in the pot. We add the ham, let it heat up again, and it is ready to go. And we'll have that in just a sec. So this is what's left in the soup after you strain it, guys, and we just want to make sure that it's as smooth as silk. All right, so here we have the hand blended and then strained soup ready to go. All we do is taste it, see if it needs salt and pepper, and we just need a little bit of pepper. Remember, the salt is gonna come from the ham as well, and I also suggest you taste the ham, because some hams are saltier than others, especially when you saute it. So you don't want it to be too salty. You can always add it later. So we're just gonna take this delicious ham and just throw it on in there. Give it a nice stir, and then we're gonna simmer it again. Probably to just reduce it a little bit. I like it a little bit thicker, but it's all up to you. You can just eat it right now if it suits your fancy. So it's all good. We'll just simmer it a little more and show you it in the bowl, ready to go. There you have it, guys. Ham with split peas. Split pea and ham soup. Delicious. The only thing you need to add to this are some nice homemade croutons. Awesome. As it sits, it'll also get a little thicker, and I hope you enjoy this celebratory snack. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will bring you some more slot action and hopefully some celebration snacks to go along with them. Cheers.